How to reduce PDF file in Adobe Illustrator. First, go to File, choose Save As. Choose Adobe PDF. Then click Save. Uncheck Preserve Illustrator editing capabilities. Click Optimize for fast web view. Now go to Compression, choose Downsampling to. Choose Automatic JPEG. Go to Image Quality and choose Medium. Then click PDF. That's it, we are done. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.